Q8089. What determines the amount of current which will flow through a battery while it is being charged by a constant voltage source? A. The total plate area of the battery. B. The state of charge of the battery. C. The ampere-hour capacity of the battery. The correct answer is B. The state of charge of the battery is what determines the amount of current that will flow through it while it is being charged by a constant voltage source. The more charged the battery is, the less current it will draw, and vice versa. Q8091. The method used to rapidly charge a nickel-cadmium battery utilizes A. Constant current and constant voltage. B. Constant current and varying voltage. C. Constant voltage and varying current. The correct answer is C. Rapid charging of nickel-cadmium batteries is possible by combining variable current with constant voltage. Q8092. The purpose of providing a space underneath the plates in a lead-acid battery cell container is to A. Prevent sediment buildup from contacting the plates and causing a short circuit. B. Allow for convection of the electrolyte in order to provide for cooling of the plates. C. Ensure that the electrolyte quantity ratio to the number of plates and plate area is adequate. The correct answer is A. This space, also known as the sediment space, allows for any sediment that may form during battery operation to settle and be safely away from the plates. This helps to prevent short circuits and extends the life of the battery. Q8093. Which condition is an indication of improperly torqued cell link connections of a nickel-cadmium battery? A. Light spewing at the cell caps. B. Toxic and corrosive deposits of potassium carbonate crystals. C. Heat or burn marks on the hardware. The correct answer is C. Heat or burn marks on the hardware is an indication of improperly torqued cell link connections of a nickel-cadmium battery. If you notice heat or burn marks on the battery hardware, it may be due to a loose or improperly torqued connection, which can result in high resistance and overheating. It is important to ensure that all connections are properly tightened to avoid potential damage and safety risks. Q8094. The presence of any small amount of potassium carbonate deposits on the top of nickel-cadmium battery cells in service is an indication of A. Normal operation. B. Excessive gassing. C. Plate sulfation. The correct answer is A. The presence of small amounts of potassium carbonate deposits on the top of nickel-cadmium battery cells is a normal occurrence during battery operation. This is due to the reaction between the electrolyte and the vented gases from the cells, which can form potassium carbonate deposits on the surface of the battery cells. However, excessive gassing or plate sulfation can lead to the formation of larger and more harmful deposits, which can negatively impact battery performance.